Hello everyone. Welcome back. Is your Windows 11 PC freezing, crashing with a blue screen, or restarting randomly? One possible cause is faulty RAM. In this video, I'll show you how to check the health of your RAM using the built-in Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. No third-party software is required. Click Start, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. If the user account control prompt appears, click Yes. In the command prompt window, type the following command, mdsched, then press Enter. This opens the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. You will see two options: 1. Restart now and check for problems. Recommended. 2. Check for problems the next time I start my computer. If you're ready to test immediately, choose Restart now and check for problems. Before selecting this option, save any open files because your computer will restart. Your computer will restart and automatically begin testing the installed RAM. You'll see a blue screen showing the test progress and current status. Windows checks your memory for hardware errors that could cause system crashes, random freezes, application errors, or blue screen problems. The test usually takes a few minutes, but on systems with a large amount of RAM, it may take longer. Once the test is complete, Windows will restart automatically. Sometimes the result appears as a notification after you sign in. If you don't see it, here's how to find it manually. Click Start, search for Event Viewer, and open it. In the left panel, expand Windows Logs and click System. Now, find Memory Diagnostics results and click on it. If the message says, "The Windows Memory Diagnostic tested the computer's memory and detected no errors," your RAM is working properly. If errors are reported, one or more memory modules may be faulty. Try reseating the RAM, testing one memory stick at a time, or replacing the defective module. That's how you can quickly check your RAM health in Windows 11 using the built-in Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching.